Hello viewers, I hope you are doing well. Are you irritated due to your period cramps? Don't fret, because today we come with some hot drinks for period cramps that can relieve your period pain and cramps. The menstrual cycle differs from woman to woman, and if it causes a lot of discomfort or pain, you can use hot drinks for menstrual pain. You don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the menstrual cycle. Consuming herbal teas 2 or 3 times in a day is an excellent remedy for dealing with pangs of pain. The first one is ginger tea. Ginger tea can work real wonders during the menstrual period. It has anti-inflammatory properties, so it reduces painful cramps. Since it plays a key role in reducing prostaglandin levels. Already a few days before the arrival of menstruation, when the premenstrual phase is felt, start drinking a ginger tea in a day. Method: slice ginger root into pieces, peel and cut it into small slices. Put 2 tablespoons of ginger root pieces into a cup of water, boil it up and let it simmer for about 1 hour. Strain and drink the tea. Second, cinnamon tea. Another hot drink against menstrual pain is certainly cinnamon tea. This infusion also has interesting anti-inflammatory properties. It will help relieve menstrual cramps. Let's see how to prepare it correctly. Ingredients and method: 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon 5 grams. Heat a cup of water, add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and leave to soak for about 2 or 3 minutes. If you see fit, you can add honey to the mixture and consume it 3 times in a day, starting on the first day of your menstrual cycle. Third, mint tea. Mint tea is another great option for soothing menstrual pain. This is due to the fact that its consumption allows to calm the stomach and helps fight bloating. Its soothing and anesthetic effect makes it useful for treating menstrual cramps as well as headaches and gastrointestinal problems. You can drink 4 to 5 cups in a day. Mint relaxes the uterine muscles, relieving the spasms that cause cramps. As an added bonus, it's a very pleasant tea to taste. We recommend that you start drinking it 1 week before your period. Fourth, raspberry leaf tea. Raspberry leaf tea is excellent for soothing period pains. Although it is one of the more unusual varieties of tea, it is very tasty and calms the pain. It has anti-inflammatory properties, so it can be useful for fighting stomach pain and preventing constipation. Fifth, chamomile tea. Chamomile contains 2 compounds, hippuric acid and glycine, which relax the uterus and spasmodic contractions thanks to their excellent properties. Additionally, chamomile tea is a natural anti-inflammatory and will reduce any feeling of discomfort. Method: to prepare chamomile tea, you will need a cup of hot water. Dip a bag of chamomile tea and let it filter for 10 minutes. Then remove the sachet and add a few drops of lemon juice or honey. We recommend drinking 2 cups in a day during the week before your period. So viewers, we are going to share some bonus tips to relieve the period cramps, the foods that you have to avoid during your period. Among the foods considered to cause discomfort during the days of menstruation, including cramps, headaches, sleepiness, and a constant desire to eat sweets, are alcohol, refined sugar, particularly spicy foods, sweet packaged snacks, fries, and dairy. They should therefore be eliminated or avoided as much as possible as early as the week preceding the cycle. And now we are going to share some foods you have to prefer to include in your diet when you are in periods. In addition to not forgetting to drink enough water and to hydrate by one of these herbal tea, you should try to enrich your diet with vegetables, fruits and green leafy vegetables to be seasoned with spices such as ginger, fennel, thyme, flax seeds, cinnamon, and ground cloves. These spices are considered to be real natural medicines able to relieve the irritations most commonly indicated by women during the cycle. So viewers, I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Let us know in the comment box which topic you want to see for our next videos. Don't forget to give them a try and share your experience with us. Thank you viewers. Catch you up in the next video.